doing a really good job feeding that giraffe.
Hi, giraffes. Hi, Dia.
That's amazing.
I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV.
Good morning, everybody. We're just walking up to get our car, and then we're going to your favorite family-friendly, nice place that you can go to while being in Los Angeles. Hold on, and I'll show you where we're going. Oh, and of course we got Trish, and she's just Trish. She's ready.
Just Trish? What is that supposed to mean? I'm pretty fantabulous.
Yeah, Trish is fantabulous, but we'll show you where we're. And here we are. Well, I don't know if you can see that. Let me get up closer. This is it right here. The Los Angeles Zoo. And this is what Trish wanted to do. She wanted to feed some giraffes and ride elephants and
Well, I don't think you can ride
all that
elephants,
stuff
but
you
see
gotta
them
do.
in person.
Huh. This is just like to save them from being sued. So now I'm gonna get the tickets and we're gonna head on. We're officially in the zoo. And Trisha's looking at like all that. Cause are you gonna see any of the shows?
Well, I don't know. We already missed the freaking elephant thing.
No, it's at 11.
It's at 1 or 11, and it's past 11.
No, it's not.
It's 11:19.
Okay. So we got a couple things that we can't do, but we're gonna go see some more exhibits. Let's go. We're here with the greater flamingo and the Chilean flamingo. Wow, these flamingos are staying still. This is the real mannequin challenge. What do you think?
Real mannequin challenge. That's funny.
And this is the Asian elephant right here. So he doesn't speak English, only Asian. That's a male. They love playing with like beach balls and all that stuff. They have a really good place to live here. I mean, I would say it's definitely better living here than it is like living in Asia where they beat you and stuff for people to ride them.
Yeah, that's true.
We're going into the dark abyss. These are piranhas that are swimming. Wow. They will eat you up like crazy. And they're swimming with like little fish and stuff. And like some kind of array. That's crazy. And then here's like fish that would be in like Trisha's fish tank. It's a great habitat. We're up top, and these otters actually swim with the piranhas. I'm not sure if the piranhas have teeth or not.
No, if you look at the piranha thing, there was like a little window. Like a, not window, but like a little clear glass.
That's a fish head that the otters were eating. They have a really nice water slide right here. And then this right here, I don't know if this is fake or real. Like the roots look real, but the sand looks fake. But I'm not really sure. But either or, it's really nice. Definitely cold water. How much you think those balls weigh?
Not heavy. I don't know. Maybe like 10 pounds.
10 pounds?
I don't know. They gotta be like heavy enough for them to play with, but light enough for them to float. Right?
Yeah, and right now we're like in this like jungle thing that like that you can use to view. We're the only ones up here. I don't know why nobody wants to come up to the jungle view. That's a tipper, or other people may refer to it as an anteater. It eats ants. Now we're walking down the jungle way. Yeah, this is another part of a monkey exhibit. This is the chimpanzees.
No, they're the golden cheek gibbons.
Oh, the golden cheek gibbons. swinging like crazy. And they got like a mist spray too, so it's like really nice and cool in there and all the good stuff. It seems like they're having a really good time right now, eh, Trish?
Yeah.
I mean, for somebody just walking around, it's pretty hot out here. I suggest you guys bring your sunblock and also bring your waters and anything else to refresh you. This is a chimp show right now. He's calling out all the chimps. Over there, he's got a bucket. He's gonna feed them a bunch of bananas. We're here at the giraffe. Trish is feeding the giraffe. Oh. She's doing a really good job feeding that giraffe. That's amazing.
Look how cute they are.
Oh, they're really big. They're at least six foot tall. Trish, those are at least 6 foot tall. Well, check it out. We just hiked all the way up this hill to see this ostrich. It's a nice ostrich. They lay huge eggs and they just stand still. That's exciting. It says, please do not feed the ostrich. And then we could have got a little golf cart taxi up here, but we chose not to. I'm checking it, it's like 400 degrees out. I'm still plugging in there, guys, so don't worry. Oh, we finally found some shade. Hey Trish, yeah, this zoo is actually huge. We're still not even like halfway done it, and we've been walking and walking and walking. This is, I think it's like from the movie Madagascar. They even have tuffled deer. If you guys are a big tuffled deer fan, they're in there, but they're definitely hiding.
Yeah.
Not gonna be able to find them. So we're gonna try and find something else. But geez, this place is huge. Like the one I'm used to back home is called the Magnetic Hill Zoo, and it's
small.
I could probably go through it in about what, 30 minutes. This one, you're good for a day. These are Calamian deer from Calamia. They're very playful. So look at them playing. That's how they play. We have finally made our way over to the hippo. Yeah, I had to move back. Wow, those are like, I don't even know what he's eating right now. These are huge. They're freaking huge. Imagine if that ate you.
Oh, they're vegetarian, so they don't eat meat.
What do you mean?
I don't think they eat animals. I think they just eat grass and stuff.
I'm sure they could mistaken you for like a little carrot.
Sure they could eat us, but I don't think they would.
Oh. Yeah, we're at. If you guessed liger, you're right. A liger is like my favorite animal. Liger's like a it's like a mixture between a lion and tiger.
Is everything blurry?
Yep. It's a liger crossbreed.
A lazy tiger.
We're in the rainforest now. Trish loves the rainforest. This is Asian's only great ape. An orangutan.
If you make noises, they might come out.
They're going to bed. It's time for bed. It's like 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. They're going to bed. We've hiked over about 5 kilometers to see this gorilla in his natural habitat, and he's just staring at us.
Maybe if you wave to him, he'll wave back.
He's got a good exhibit.
I think that's the baby though. I don't think that's the adult.
But the thing is, we came from gorillas, so they're just as smart as us, right Trish? This is how Trish gets shade.
Well, no, it's not so I get shaded so I can sleep better.
I'm in the only shaded part of this whole exhibit and jeez, I'm really hot right now. Very hot.
Oh, look at the
Here's the zebras. Zebras, right? Zebras. No, those are just mother and father ones. Oh, those are mother and father ones, Trish.
Those are their babies.
Nope. You can tell the baby ones from the real ones. Male mountain goat. They got like a really steep mountain exhibit, which is kind of crazy. I don't know why. Oh, and there's another one up top there. You see him? He's not moving. Oh, here's another one coming out to play. Oh, wow, there's more of them. They're all just coming out to play. Right, Trish?
Yes.
We passed this exhibit before, but now we passed it on a different side, and we get to see the big gorilla called Elmira, and Trish got us lost.
I did not. You got us lost. PJ said go left, but you didn't. I said no, we gotta go right. So we walked all the way down, and I was right. We had to go right.
Whatever.
It's okay.
I came back to the giraffes after a few hours because they're all together now, and they're big. It's giraffe feeding time, so we're gonna try and do that without Trish complaining.
Yeah.
Friggin' complainer, Trish. Oh, he's putting his nose in there, trying to get that lettuce. I'm gonna just suck that lettuce up and just eat it like it's nothing.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
Jeez, just eating that lettuce like nothing. And this is I think this one's like the African elephant. Jeez. Trish, what do you think?
I think they're adorable. Those are cute.
You can pause this if you want to read it. So Trisha just went to the bathroom, and I just found something that she's been actually looking for the past like 2 days, and she's gonna be really excited when I show her. There she is in the bathroom, but that's what she's gonna be really excited for, is the churro factory. Let's see her reaction. Trish, what the frig took you so
Are
long?
you seriously videotaping me?
I was.
While I'm in the bathroom. You are deleting this.
No, I was just.
Yes, you are.
All right. So, anyways, what the heck?
Churro!
I didn't even. Trish, I didn't even have to tell you. Trish, I mean, when you were in the bathroom, I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait till Trish sees the reaction to this, and then that's why I did that. So, are you gonna get one? Are you gonna get one? Yeah, they got cinnamon, which is all sold out.
How much are they? I'm gonna get
So
like
Trish ain't getting a
5.
cinnamon.
I'm gonna get like 5.
They have Bavarian, caramel,
I want cinnamon.
and strawberry. Nope,
They have them
they're
over there.
gone.
They can just dip them in.
Nope, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
I just got one of these. Yeah, you've seen them before, but you'll see them again. And Trish got 2 of them. Trish loves them because we have these back home, but
No, I don't.
oh,
Do
but, no, we don't. But they're really good, and they're like loaded with some kind of like filling. I'm gonna enjoy this without you guys. So this freaking whole time, we've been walking around looking for the kangaroos. There's the churro stand. There's Trisha eating her churro. There's the freaking kangaroos. They were freaking right here the whole time. All we had to do was get the churros, and we see the kangaroos. Trish's not very happy about that. Trish.
No, we walked like 5 different places up and down trying to find these. But I'm happy I seen them because they're really cute.
And I can eat my churro
And they're babies.
and enjoy while we sight see some kangaroos.
I want water.
No, you don't. You shouldn't. And Trish left her water at the giraffe feeding station.
Yeah.
Boom. We're right at the friggin' koala exhibit. They're eating, I don't know, like some kind of like hay. They're just eating hay. Can't really get a good visual of them, but they're just eating hay. I don't know what the frick Trish is doing. Trish, where'd you go? You need to tell me where you're going at all.
I was right there.
Okay, next time tell me. Well, you can't really see the kangaroos that good. Yeah, you just can't. You can't see the, and you know how Trish got really excited about her churro? She didn't even eat it all.
It's too hot to eat. I want water.
Okay, we'll go get some more. Well, guys, I know I've been talking about the heat, but it's been a hot day. Trish is hot. Yep. She's sweaty, she's oily, and she's sunburnt. And me, I'm ready to get out of here. So there you have it, the Los Angeles Zoo, Big Bennett TV style. So we're making our way out the exit now. We'll see you guys next time, if there is a next time that we come here, but it probably won't be for a very, very, very long time. We saw all the animals that we wanted to see, and I couldn't get all the animals for you guys, but I got the important ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.